वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello, friends. Welcome to Season 3 of Sikh History Sakhi podcast. As always, I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In the last episode, we discussed how Mai Das returned to Goindwal Sahib, realizing his mistake that true love for Almighty is not bound by rigid rules, but flows from a sincere and humble heart. Friends, have you noticed even in our daily lives this happens? Sometimes we become so attached to how things should be, our plans, our expectations, our routines, that we tend to overlook the grace that is quietly unfolding right before us. Well, that happens for me as well. What about you? Do let me know. Now, coming back to the episode, this time Mai Das humbly ate from Guru's langar. And when he entered the darbar of Guru Amar Das ji, something extraordinary happened. My dear friends, the moment he stepped inside and lifted his eyes, he could hardly believe what he was seeing. Before him appeared the radiant form of Lord Krishna, the very Lord he had worshipped all his life. The vision was majestic and divine. He saw Krishna seated in royal splendor, a crown shining upon his head, a delicate peacock feather resting gracefully within it. His face glowed with a soft divine light, and around him was an aura so bright that the entire darbar seemed filled with brilliance. His yellow garments shone like golden sunlight, and his presence carried a beauty and peace that words could barely describe. Mai Das stood still, his heart overflowing. Tears began to fill his eyes. For years he had longed for this very darshan, the vision of the Lord he had remembered in his prayers day and night. But, friends, then, after a few moments, something even more wondrous happened. As mentioned in Sri Suraj Prakash, Bohar Bilochan Khole Jabe, Pikh Shri Amar Roop Nartabe, Satguru ne Nij Roop Banayo, Vachat Jit So Tise Dikhayo. Meaning, Mai Das closed his eyes in love as tears flowed down. But as he looked again, the radiant form slowly faded, and before him he now saw Guru Amar Das ji seated peacefully in the darbar. My dear friends, as Gurbani beautifully reminds us on Ang 52, Jitde fal man bachiye, titde Satgur paas, meaning the Almighty rewards as the mind desires. Similarly, Guru Amar Das ji had blessed Mai Das with the darshan of Krishna, whom he had loved all his life, because that was his desire. And when Mai Das' heart was fully satisfied, he realized that the very same divine light was shining through Guru Amar Das ji. Now, overwhelmed with devotion and utmost love, Mai Das immediately fell at Guruji's feet. Tears flowed freely from his eyes as he folded his hands and spoke with a trembling voice. O true Lord, O Savior of the helpless, you are the true Guru. Today, my eyes have been blessed. All the prayers of my life have found their answer in your darshan. Friends, for a few moments he could barely speak. His heart was overflowing with gratitude and love. Have you ever felt that way? Then, with deep humility, he began praising Guruji again and again, as mentioned in Sri Suraj Prakash. रचर प्रशंसा करवे लाग्यो गुर किरपाल के पग अनुराग्यो धन धन सतगुर गत दानी कल मैं करो उदाहरण प्राणी नमो दीन दयाल न आद न अंत अगाध अबाध रचे सर्ब जंत तू ही लोक जोदा रचे तार लीला परवेश्यो सबे में अलेप सो मीला meaning, my Lord, all glory belongs to you. I bow to you. You are the one who guides the lost and lifts the fallen. You are fearless, without hate, immortal. You are the creator of the universe. Today, I understand that the divine I was searching for is present through you. Please accept me in your refuge. Allow me to remain near you and serve you. Guru Amar Das Ji looked at him with compassion and gently addressed him, as mentioned in Sri Suraj Prakash. प्रभु को दर्शन ए था पायस सर्व कामना ते तृपतायस अष्ट दिवस जब अभय बिताव बोहरो तो हे guru बिततावे. Meaning, Guruji said, come, my Das, you are a blessed soul and a true seeker of Almighty. Stay here now. All your wishes will be fulfilled. Wait for 8 days and keep the company of the Sangat. Through the company of the holy, the path of the divine becomes clear. In time, I will guide you further. My dear friends, that moment filled my Das heart with peace and joy beyond words. The Lord he had been searching for through strict rituals and distant prayers had now revealed himself through the living guidance of Guruji. Gurbani reminds us of a beautiful truth. As mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 162. Satgur mile vad paag sanjog, hirday naam nit har ras pog. Meaning, when one meets the true Guru through good fortune and high destiny, the divine name begins to dwell within the heart. My dear friends, this was only the beginning of my Das journey because while he stayed in Guruji's presence during those 8 days, something extraordinary was unfolding in Goindwal Sahib. As we all know, a great seva was taking place under the guidance of Guruji, a seva that would soon test the courage and faith of the entire Sangat. And in that moment, the destiny of Mai Das would soon become connected with a devoted Sikh named Manak Chand. Tune in next Tuesday to know what happens next. I hope this brings some peace to your hearts. Thank you.